Local news for Friday the 3rd of March. Local Government Minister Anne Tolley has announced the appointment of Brent Gare as a temporary member of the Local Government Commission. Mrs Tolley said the appointment of Mr Duffy will assist the Commission with its reorganisation work, particularly in the Wairarapa. The membership of the Local Government Commission currently consists of Sir Witter Gardner, Janie Anea and Lee Orton, as well as temporary member Jeff Dangerfield. 6 lotto players, one of whom who bought their ticket in Masterton, will have an extra skip in their step after winning just over $21,000 with Lotto's 2nd Division on Wednesday night's draw. If you have bought your ticket from Paper Plus in Masterton, the advice from Lotto is to write your name on the back of the ticket and check it immediately. Thousands are expected for tomorrow's Martinborough Fair. Over 450 applicants were chosen for inclusion in the last fairs. The Martinborough Fairs were the brainchild of members of the Greytown Rotary Club, and in 1977 the first fairs began in Martinborough with just 35 stalls. The Martinborough Fair now on average attracts around 25,000 people. And in sport, pre-season rugby has begun with the Premier competition set to kick off on the 8th of April. Tomorrow we'll see East Coast host Bush, 2 o'clock at Whareama. Pioneer play Fielding Old Boys at 1:30 at Memorial Park, and at 2:30 Marist, the Premier side, will also play a fielding team called the Stags. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.